Expressive English. Unlocking the power of interrogative adjectives in exclamatory sentences. Hello and welcome back to another exciting English lesson. Today, we're going to delve into an interesting aspect of English grammar that adds flavor and intensity to our sentences: interrogative adjectives in exclamatory sentences. You may be thinking, that's quite a mouthful, but don't worry, we'll break it down together, step by step. Before we delve into exclamatory sentences, let's first understand what we mean by interrogative adjectives. These are words that modify nouns or pronouns and are used in questions. They include what, which, and whose. For example, in the question, which book do you like? Which is the interrogative adjective modifying the noun, book. Now, let's move on to exclamatory sentences. These are sentences that express strong emotions or surprise. They typically end with an exclamation mark. For instance, "What a wonderful day" is an exclamatory sentence expressing positive surprise. So, how do we use interrogative adjectives in exclamatory sentences? It might seem a bit confusing at first, because normally we think of questions when we talk about interrogative adjectives. But in exclamatory sentences, we use them to express strong emotion, not to ask a question. Here are some examples. What a beautiful sunset. Which amazing person created this artwork? In both examples, what and which are interrogative adjectives used in an exclamatory manner. They aren't asking questions. Instead, they're emphasizing the emotional impact of the statement. The most crucial thing to remember when using interrogative adjectives in exclamatory sentences is context. The same words could be used in a question or an exclamatory sentence, and it's the context and punctuation that shows the difference. For example, what time is it? Question. What a time it is. Exclamatory sentence. And there you have it. The intriguing world of interrogative adjectives and exclamatory sentences. They're a fantastic tool to add emphasis and express strong emotions in your speech and writing. So, go out there and experiment with them in your own sentences. We hope this video has been helpful and enlightening. Until next time, keep exploring and enjoying English.